More here, bringing you the second root repair of the day at Restore Orthopedics and Spine Center in Orange, bringing you cutting edge orthopedic surgery, Mora cutting edge orthopedic surgery. And this is what we have. We have another left knee. It was the same problem, root tear. This root tear was a little bit more subtle on the MRI, but the history was very similar. It's always the same. Early 50s or mid 50-year-old person, misstep, posterior knee pain. Posterior knee pain, immediate swelling, a lot of pain with ambulation, and then eventually it subsides, but they still have pain in the back. You do the x-ray, it shows a little bit of arthritis, and then you do an MRI, you check all the findings that I've talked about before, the triad, bone marrow edema, extrusion of meniscus, and of course on the MRI, you go to the back, look for the gap. Now we have the scope in the knee right now, left knee, camera's inside the knee, go to the back, that's the gap. I've already passed my sutures, doubled up, number 2, high tensile strength sutures that are doubled up, luggage tagged into this suture. It's almost impossible for them to pull out. And they're also number 2, which allows me to pull very hard. I put these in with the Smith & Nephew mini first pass. My rep here helps me with this. If you ever need to do this, I would recommend that you speak to Craig and have him take you through this case, because he's seen me do dozens of these. And this is what we have. Sutures are in, and this is what the reduction is going to look like. Let me show you one more time. There's a gap, pull my sutures, pull my suture, and it's going to be a near anatomic reduction of the root back into a nice, generous, bony bed. Once again, adhering to the concepts of meniscus repair, creating a bleeding site, no blood, no heal. So you got to create a bleeding site, and then ABC, always be compressing, and that's why we use these big sutures. Dr. Mora here at Restore, showing you the end of the case here. Just thought you'd find this interesting, and don't forget to share this knowledge with other people, because root tears are very bad. If you let them go on without being repaired, the patient will develop arthritis very rapidly. Thank you very much.